Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record with OBS in Mac. So after you've opened OBS, over here at Sources, you want to click on the plus icon. Then you're going to click on Screen Capture. Then you can rename this if you want, then just click on OK. Then over here at Method, you can choose which you want to screen record. It could be your whole display, a specific window, or a specific application. And after you've chosen that, you can see some options over here at the bottom. You can choose to show your cursor or not. And you can also choose to hide OBS from capture. So just click on those options. If you want to enable them, then just click on OK. And after that, you will see your screen over here at the top. It's a preview of how your screen will be recorded. So as you can see, my whole screen is not visible over here in the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to readjust that to fit inside the frame. And once you're satisfied with that and you're ready to start recording, just click on start recording over here so that you can start to record your screen. So that's it. Thanks for watching.